Hello guys, welcome back with me. So, as I promised before, today I'm going to make homepage design for mobile app. So first we'll need what we'll need is a reference. Yeah, so I've prepared my reference here. This is actually this is wireframe. So I'm just going to copy it, Ctrl C, and then move it to my page. Ctrl V. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do like this first. So to make this design we'll need to make frame. So I'm going to choose this and then look at the phone, and then I'm going to choose iPhone 14 and 15 Pro Max like this, and there we go. So now I'm going to adjust the corner radius to 20, maybe 20 is enough, and we'll need color. Yeah, I'm going to change the name first. Home page like this. Yeah. Then first we'll need icons. So we're going to find icons here on plugins, and yeah, the most common plugins I use is Iconify for searching icons. So I'm going to search for Signal first, this one, and then Wi-Fi is okay. Yes, I'm going to just import that, this, and then this one too. Maybe wait. I think this one is okay, and then battery too. Battery. Port as component, and there we go. After that we'll need notification, setting, and warning. Okay, notification. Settings. Warning 2, and then warning chart. And for these icons I'm going to use vectors. Yeah, and then we're going to need this icon too. And this one is okay. Okay, after that I'm going to choose all that, and closing this first, then section like this. Okay, and then I'm going to just choose all of that, and then shift A to make it like look more neat. Yeah, I'm going to just rename it to icons. Yeah, okay. So first we're going to make the status bar, and I'm going to get those. Yeah, I'm going to adjust the size to maybe 10 is enough. This one is 10. To layout, and then I'm going to make the time here maybe 4. Yeah, okay. So after that we're going to make both autolight by clicking this, and then press shift and then click on this one, and then shift A. Okay, just like that, and then adjust the gate to auto, and then we're just going to move it like this. Yeah, drag it like that, and then the padding, we're going to set the padding. For example, I'm going to set it to 16. Yeah, and then the upper to 12. Yeah, so I'm going to adjust the alignment to top. then adding fill, just white is okay. And here we need to insert logo, so I've had the logo. I'm going to drag the logo here, just to copy paste, Control V, and then we can click on key to resize this. I think that's enough, and then click on V to change it like that, and then we're going to make this. So I'm going to just drag it, press Alt, and then drag it outside. We're going to need settings too, so press on Alt and then drag it out, just like that. And then I'm going to do Shift A, this, yeah, and then this one too. I'm going to Shift A. After that, I'm going to adjust this to 100, maybe 1000, yeah, 1000, and then adding the fill, and then this one, same one, 1000, and then adding the fill too, and then adjusting the color. Yeah, this one too, to adjust the color to the same color. This is 44 and this one is 40, so I'm going to adjust this one to 40 here, to 40 like that, and make it center. Okay, then I'm going to drag those inside our frame, then make it like this, and then I'm going to make those auto layouts. So press this one and then press Shift and hold it, and then click on this one and then press A. So Shift A, auto layout for auto layout, yeah. So after that, I'm going to make this one and this auto layout too. So Shift A too. Wait. Well, I think the logo hasn't to the frame yet. So yeah, I'm going to Control C. First, we're going to insert this to our frame. Yeah, it's inside our frame right now. And then now we can make it auto layout like this. Yeah, like that. Okay. After that, we're going to make this card. So I'm going to insert my text and yeah, like this, and then wait, yeah, like that, and then adjusting the size, something like this. Maybe it's a little bit weird, so I'm going to just change it. And then we can duplicate and then just change it to selamat datang, yeah, for greeting. Yes, so I'm going to add like this stroke here. So first I'm going to make this auto layout, so Shift A, then adding stroke, and then go here and then make sure it's the left one, and then I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay, after that I'm going to make this both auto layout, so Shift A, and then adjusting the alignment, and then I think that's all. And then I'm going to Shift A this, and maybe adding ellipse here. So let me just make it same like that. Okay, now I'm going to Shift A this. Wait. Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe we can adjust it a bit. Yeah, like this, and then I'm going to adjust the padding. And then I'm going to adjust the fill, so I'm using blue. And then the corner radius to 12 maybe. Yeah, 12. I think that's nice and nice. So I'm going to make a rectangle for the background. Like this. Then yeah, we can make another ones. I'm going to make that, so just alt and drag it here. Wait, it's supposed to be there. Wait, yeah, like this, and then just copy paste from this alt shift, and then Shift A, and then adjusting the padding, also alignment, and then padding to corner radius to 12, and then adjusting the fill. I'm going to change this. And then rename this and duplicate. Wait, going to duplicate like that.
Untuk import
Figma and nothing.
di sini kita bisa
And I'm going to adjust this icon like this, and just make this both auto layout. This one is auto layout too. Just drag it like this, and then I'm going to adjust the padding to 20. Yeah, like that. Okay, I think that's nice. Just adjusting it, and then I'm going to make this card. So we'll make this to copy paste, and then we're going to just auto layout all of this. So press and then shift and shift A, and then just the alignment. It shouldn't be like this. So this one should be like, okay, just like that. And then we're going to just padding here, and then also the upper padding, adding fill, maybe like this. Okay, and then also adding the corner rounding to 12. Yeah, just the same as the others. Yeah, and then we're going to copy paste, and then just change the names here. Then I'm going to shift A both, and then adjusting it, and then I'm going to adjust the padding to 20, and then the gap to auto like this. Maybe I'm going to add more padding to maybe 32 like this, or maybe 36. Okay, yeah, like that. And then yeah, just adjusting the position and alignment. Yeah, we're almost done, and now we can make those. So we'll need rectangle here. I'm using actually like this, and then I'm going to export my assets here. Yeah, so I'm just going to Ctrl C, and then there's Ctrl S. That's bigger. Just going to move it there, like this. Maybe I'm going to just delete that. Yeah, I'm just going to make it auto layout like Shift A. Wait, it's kind of loading. So I'm going to Shift A, and then adding fill. Yeah, after that, corner radius to 8 maybe. So yeah, will look like this. And then I'm going to need text. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy paste here. Wait. Okay, so this one is going to be and then we're going to make it all the way up. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay, so the spacing is going to be 12 to wait. The gap going to be 12, and then I'm going to add the padding. Wait. Adjusting the padding to 12. This one, so to 16 maybe. Okay, so that will make the right card here. Kind of different. So I'm just going to add this to maybe 32. And I'm just adding this color. And then adjusting the corner radius to 12. And you can adjust it to our frame. Then we can make another more. So I'm not going to make it like the same as this one, maybe not exactly the same. So I'm going to copy and then paste it here. Wait, should make that. Yeah, and copy. Now first something like this, and then this one is duplicate, and then I'm going to add this.
bagian roadnya. Terus habisin oil. Pakai gitu. Begini. Terus dapat kasih kamu untuk di parts.
And we just select all and then make it all the way out like this, and then I'm going to adjust the padding to 16, and then wait, the upper padding too, then just in the fill, and then the corner radius to 12, or maybe just 8, like that, and then adjusting it like this, and maybe I'm going to adjust the padding to 24.
Oh, paymentnya malah hilang.
Then we're going to make this. So we're going to need text first, like this, and this haven't been auto layout, so I have to make it an auto layout, and then I'm going to drag this icon here, so alt and then drag it.
Not found.
Wait,
Oh, kita ada jawab nggak sih? Mungkin kita lewat untuk membuat report. Oh, mungkin.
adjust the corner radius to 8, like this, and then the padding is to 20 maybe. Yep. Then I'm going to change this text. Okay. Move it there, and then the padding, adjust it, then I'm going to make it like here, maybe it's okay. And this one, just adjust it here like that. Okay, great. And then we need to just copy paste from here because it's just basically the same. So I'm going to move it upper a bit, a little bit upper. Yeah, just like this. And yep, maybe I'm going to adjust it like upper, a little bit upper. Yeah, I think that's great. This one too, and this one, and it's going to be auto layout, and that one. Nice. Okay, adjusting this. Yeah, and that's how we make a home page. Okay guys, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.